All right, well, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about funnels. These things, actually not those things. Funnels is an interesting thing because a funnel is really a metaphor or a symbol for something that marketing people have been talking about for over 100 years. Back in the day, marketing people and salespeople had to bring someone from not knowing anything about you or your product to knowing that you existed, to having some interest in it, to actually looking to purchase it, to become a loyal client, and tell other people about it. This whole process was something that marketing people have always had to create and do. Another word for this is a campaign. It's a marketing activity that brings someone through that path or that steps of a process, of a sales process to purchase. So today, marketing people use this word funnels, and it's sort of been trendy for probably the last 10 years to talk about a funnel as this process to, and really connected to social media and to online marketing, because it gives you a real good symbol to understand how you pour a ton of people into the top of this funnel through social media, through emails, through pay-per-click advertising, Facebook advertising, YouTube video advertising, all these different ways to get people into the top of this thing in mass quantity as much as you can, which means that you're going to get some more people out the bottom. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about your funnel as a small business owner, as a practice owner. What needs to be your funnel? And so understanding this philosophical sort of machine of a funnel, a marketing way or tool to sell someone your product or service and then have them become a loyal customer and then a fan for you who tells other people about it, and they're an advocate. All right, so let's look at this. And I'm actually working on a funnel right here on the board, and this product is solving a problem, a lack of customers and customer retention, and we're going to use digital marketing to achieve that. So the goal is courses sold and new clients, and the whole purpose is small business growth and expansion. So there's going to be 3 funnels, funnel 1, 2, and 3, and with each one we're going to give something for free, and your business could have whatever it might be. If it's a veterinary practice, then you're going to maybe give away a checklist of how to properly wash your pet, or how to trim your pet's toenails, or how to brush your pet's teeth. So you might have a checklist, or what could you also have? Well, a checklist would probably be a great thing for a vet. And if you were a dentist, maybe you'd have a book on taking care of children's teeth and the way to do that, because parents have so many problems with how to make sure you're brushing their teeth right, or what you should be doing as a parent with your kids. And maybe there's some information you could give away about that, or maybe a free video training on that. If you're a gym owner, then maybe it's how to get fit for summer so you look good in a bikini or something like that, or a pair of shorts. So each small business, you're going to have something that you could probably give away that's going to give you a name that you can build your list, and then you can sell them your product or your service and bring them down your funnel. All right. So I'm just going to share this example because I'm actually working on it right now. And you can take that for what you do in your business and modify it to fit what you're going to be working on. And so they're going to come down these 3 funnels to either get a free course, a free ebook, or a free webinar, and then they'll get that product, that resource. We're going to take this example. So they're going to get the resource of an ebook, and with that, they're going to be given information in that email. So they're going to get the ebook, and they're going to get an email that welcomes them to the list, and that they're now Walker Creative gave them this ebook. And then that email will also say that we do these and these kinds of services. Then the next steps, and I broke it down over here, you're going to have follow-up emails that you do that nurture that relationship. They have given you their email, which is a big thing today, to give up your email so that you know you're going to be contacted by that business. So now I'm going to send about 4 more emails with how-to information that'll be useful to a small business owner, to a practice owner, to someone that I can help I can help them grow their practice, and I'm going to share useful information with them, right? It could be a video just like this. So I'm going to share information with them. So I'm going to probably send them 4 emails. So no matter what your business is, you can nurture that relationship by sending how-to information about how to use your product or service, or how to do something in your industry that your public, your audience, your target audience would be interested in. So you'll send this. You're going to send those emails, and then following those emails, you will then have a sales email or a series of sales emails that will bring them to know that this is what you'd like them to purchase to get real help that'll solve their problem. And that is what's so important, is you are there to help them make a change in their life that's going to solve that problem that is a real problem they have, that your target audience has. So this whole series of actions is going to help them solve a problem, but then realize that they really need this product or service that's going to fully deal with that issue, right? And it brings them down a series of steps, as I talked about what a marketing campaign or a solution that marketing people have always had to solve to sell products. And you'll see this when you look into funnels, is it brings them to awareness up here at the top of the funnel. And I've diagrammed what you traditionally see people talk about as a funnel here. Is this awareness step happens at the top through social media, ads, pay-per-click, Facebook, YouTube, maybe a general email campaign. And then they come down the funnel to consideration, where they start to consider your product or service. And they might they'll look into a blog and read a blog from you, or they might watch a webinar that you are in with another company or a team, or a webinar you just generally put on. So they might watch that to learn a little more, but consider maybe working with you. Or a video on YouTube, and they may watch that, and they'll spend 3 or 4 minutes. They'll give you 3 or 4 minutes of their life to find out more about you. They're considering your product or service, or you as a brand. Now they come down to intent. Now they have intent to really find out, because now they're more interested. So they're going to download a free ebook, or they're going to sign up for a particular webinar, right? Or they're going to sign up and get a free course about some subject. These are just examples. This is in this funnel that I'm talking about, is where I'm working on this product, where it includes a free course. For your business, it might not be a free course. But they're going to give their contact information for that. Now they come down that they've gotten those products, and now they've decided they're going to purchase. Okay, so they're going to buy a paid course or buy a workshop, or they might now become a client. That's for Walker Creative, is I'm going to get them down here into buying a service that's going to help them achieve this purpose of small business growth and expansion, because that is what I'm going to be working on. I want them to grow, and my funnel is going to lead them to becoming a client or get a course from me that's going to help them grow their business. So this is just giving you this philosophic idea of this is what a funnel does, is it brings them down this path. So I hope this has helped to further clarify what a funnel is, and that it is a symbol for a marketing campaign or a sales process to get them from no information about you, not even knowing you're there, to finding out you're there, to considering you, then having some intent to purchase, then purchasing, becoming a customer, and then becoming a fan of yours and actually telling other people about you. All right. Great. Thanks for watching. And if you've liked this video, please subscribe. Click the bell so you can get notified of when I post other videos. And have a fantastic week. Let's grow that practice. Let's grow that small business.